friends, welcome back to the channel AK Gardening Passion. So friends, before starting actual video, to subscribe the channel if not yet subscribed and press the bell icon. So friends, today's video is on Anthurium plant. Friends, Anthurium plant is a flowering plant. It is a tropical plant which is grown in many of the houses in the cooler areas. Friends, the flower is of leaf shape which has a yellow rod-like structure which bears the seeds when the plant is of wild variety. The colors of the flowers available are white, red, yellow, orange red, pink and violet, and many more of these shades. Often these plants are costly, around 300 rupees and above. Due to its foliage, it is used in landscaping. The flower has more vast life, that is for about 2 to 3 weeks and above, so it is used in many flower arrangements and bouquets. And on the plant, the flower can stay for near 4 to 6 weeks. Due to its colors and life of flowers, these are nowadays preferably used. So friends, due to this, it is commercially cultivated for sales. The varieties available in market are of two, that is wild and plants from tissue culture. Friends, this plant is easy to grow plant. So friends, let's see how this plant can be grown and cared under following headings. Friends, just see this plant. This is my Anthurium plant. I have three colors, that is white, red and pink. At present, it is white color. Friends, see this. When I bought this plant, there was single plant and now it is reproducing new shoots. Friends, see, this is new bud but not yet bloomed. Friends, it takes long time to bloom this bud. The problem occurs that see these burnt leaves. It's due to direct sunlight. Friends, just see, this is full bloom new flower which is white in color, but when this flower will turn old, then it will look to greenish shades. So friends, talking about the soil requirement for the plant. The plant requires well draining soil. As these plants are container plants, the potting mix is utmost important for its growth. So friends, to prepare this potting mix, you can use 1 part of cocopeat, 1 part of vermicompost, 1 part of coconut husk, 1 part of coal and 1 part of garden soil. Friends, use a pot which has good watering drainage system or holes. And after collecting all these contents, mix up all the contents and fill up the containers. So friends, talking about the propagation of the Anthurium plant. Anthurium plant is propagated by soil division if plant is grown by tissue culture, and second method is by seed if plant is of wild variety. As this mature plant produces baby plants, you can propagate by these baby plants, and also you can buy them from local nurseries. So friends, talking about the fertilizer requirement for this plant. The plant does not require much use of fertilizers. You can fertilize the plant after every 4 months. Friends, you can use NPK spray or 19-19-19 diluted in water. Add 1/4 spoon of 19-19-19 in a liter of water and add water to the plants. Use 200 to 300 ml of this water for 1 pot. You can also use vermicompost or liquid manure if you are growing it by using organic fertilizers, but use fertilizers cautiously. So water requirement for Anthurium plants. plant is kept in shade and the plant requires moist soil. So watering should be done when you feel that the potting mix is becoming dry. It requires moist soil, so in potting mix we have already used charcoal, coconut husk, and you can also add on broken brick pieces. Color changes of plant to yellow, that is leaf color, green to yellow indicates overwatering. So friends, take care that you maintain good watering drainage system also to prevent the root rotting. Friends, talking about the light requirements, Anthurium plant loves shade. So it is shade loving plant. So it is widely used as an indoor or house plant. It cannot tolerate the direct sunlight and high temperatures. It requires indirect sunlight, but the light should be bright to bring up the blooms. Friends, I have kept these pots in the entrance nearby the parking area, and these pots are nearly 3 years old and above. Next, talking about the pruning. The plant does not require pruning, only you have to remove the dead parts of the plant. Talking about the maintenance of Anthurium plant. Friends, the plant is low maintenance plant. Only you have to remove the dried leaves and old flowers which are giving ugly look to your foliage. So friends, some tips to grow Anthurium plants. Tip 1, use proper potting mix. Tip 2, propagate plant by right method. Tip 3, use of fertilizers cautiously. Tip 4, don't overwater the plant. Tip 5, do keep the plant in indirect sunlight or a bright light. So friends, this was all about the Anthurium plant. So add on the green foliage with various colors of Anthurium flowers in your shade gardens, in containers and in pots. You can place these plants in the parking areas, balconies, nearby the entrance, as the plant blooms whole yearly, but more blooms are seen in winter months. This plant is easy to grow, hardy and pest-free plant, so it can be grown by the beginner gardeners. So friends, you can also grow them in the raised flower beds. For that you can use the same, to raise these beds you can use the same potting mix. So friends, that was all about the Anthurium plant. Do give the feedback in the comment box and like and share the videos. Keep watching the videos. Let's meet with another video. Bye.